Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I have a Jaguar XJ 2011 model car, and I'm just going to replace the battery on this key fob. It's really easy to replace the battery on this one. So as you can see on the side of this fob, there's a button. You have to press it. It's gonna get open and like this, and that's the emergency key on the side of this remote. You can take it out. That's the emergency key. If you need to open the lock with this actual key, you can take it out from here and place it back here. And see other side, if you're gonna look, that's a tray for your battery. You just pull it out, the battery gonna come out, and it's a CR2032 battery. And so guys, I'm gonna put the link below in the description, so you can go on Amazon and buy it. It's just a couple of quid. It's not expensive. So guys, get the new battery, and as you can see on this tray is written plus, and this is a plus sign where the writing is. So place it like this, and hold the battery with your finger and just put the tray back in and press it. That's battery went in. So you can close this fob like this, and it's really easy one. So guys, if you think my videos are helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Thank you.